In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Face ID for a second person. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll down for a bit and get into Face ID and passcode. Now there enter your passcode and here hit on Set up an alternative appearance. There, tap on Get Started and now position your face here at that frames and now rotate your face in that way. Then hit on Continue and make that action again. Second Face ID scan complete and it's done. I can hit on Done and now in that way I can add a second face to Face ID. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.